Hello, my wonderful students. Very good morning to everyone. So, today we are going to see class 3 maths, chapter number 6, houses of hundreds. Okay, house of hundred. Students, if you want to join tuition, I'm taking classes daily for maths, English, and EVS. So, if you want to join the tuition, you can message me to this number 74186 19174. So, this is the timetable for tuition for class 3, class 4 and class 5. So during this tuition classes I'll be teaching you the exact lesson for your exam. I'll be providing worksheet for practice. Every week I'll be conducting revision test so that you can prepare well for your exam. Okay. For additional details you can message me to 74186 19174. You can message me, ma'am, I want tuition. Okay, tuition timing will be before 4 to 6 p.m. every day. Alright, or if you need only worksheet for practice, join the channel. Link is there in the description box. Click and join monthly 199. You will be receiving all the worksheets for your exam practice. Alright, so now we will go into the lesson. House of hundreds. This lesson, all we are going to learn about is only hundreds. Alright, so let's go into this lesson now. Aji, Teji, Jojo have come to the Mela. Okay, they have come to the Mela. See here. Guess the number of triangular torrents. So here we have to guess the number of triangular torrents. So here if you see these all are the torrents. So they are asking us to guess the torrents, and here they have given the torrents also. Okay. Find out how many are there. Okay, so we have to find out how many are there. So here they have given in each row there are 10 torrents, so we can count manually also. We'll count and see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. In each line we have 10 torrents. Okay, so now we'll count individually. So 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 110 120 130 140 150 160 170 180 190 200. So that's what they have written here also, 200, right? So they have written the same here, 200. And here the bottom row we have few more torrents. So we have 10 20 30 40 and 50. So here we have 200, and in the bottom row we have 50. So 200 plus 50 is equal to 250, right? So how many triangles are there in the line of the triangular torrent? So how many triangles are there? So we found 250. Okay, try counting all the triangles. So we have to try counting all the triangles as I counted in a row. So you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 up to 250. So this one is 250th triangle. Or in case if they are asking how many triangles are there in line of triangle torrent. So one line we have totally 50 torrents. So green one, blue one, green one, blue one, green one. So what happened? In one line we have 50. So you can write 50 also. How many triangles are there in a line of triangle torrent? That time you can write 50. If they are asking entire torrent, that time you can mention 250. Okay. Okay, so they are asking try counting all the triangles. Okay, so the total triangle 50 more than 200 which is 250. So this is 50, the bottom line, which is 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, which is more than 200. Alright. So next, see, we have beautiful bangles here. So in each bangle, so in each group of bangle, we have 10 single bangles. Okay. So in one group, we have 10 single bangles. Okay. So we will count now. So we have 10, this one 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280. So how many we have? We have 280. So try counting the total number of bangles. See how Tiji is counting. So how she is counting? She is counting 10, 20, 30. Like how we counted. She is counting and she found out the bangle which is 280. Okay. So the total bangle 200 and 80 more bangle is 280. So very easy. Okay. So next. Guess how many toffees are there in the box? Count and check. So we need to count and check how many toffees are there in box. So guess how many toffees are there in the boxes. Count and check. Okay. So let's see. So we have one row. Let me see how many we are there in one row first. Okay. Let me zoom it so that you can able to find it clearly. 1 minute. Okay, now we will see how many toffees are there in first row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 toffees in one row, right? So now we'll go back to the normal zoom. So let's start counting it, okay? Okay, now let's start counting. So we have how many rows here? So first row we already counted 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So here we have 100. And this row is the same toffees. Okay, there is no missing toffees. So one more 100. Okay, here we have two toffees missing. If you notice, there is two toffees are missing. So in 100 we have two toffees missing. So 100 minus 2, which is 98, right? So here we have 98 toffees. Okay. So 100 plus 100 plus 98. So 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 98 is 298. So we have 298. So count and check. So if you count also, you can able to get only 298 toffees. Okay. See how he is counting. See, there are a lot of toffees. Let's count 10, 20, 30, 40, like that he counted and he wrote all the toffees up to 298. Okay. So where are those missing toffees? See in Jojo's hand, he is having the two toffees. Okay. So Jojo has two toffees in his hand. How many toffees are all together? So how many toffees are now all together? Here in this box we have 298 toffees plus Jojo is having two toffees. So 298 plus 2 is 300. So altogether we have 300 toffees. Okay, so here they have written also 298 and one more is 299, 299 and one more is 300. Okay, easy one. So here see 298 plus 1 is 299, 299 plus 1 is 300. Okay, so 300 plus 100 is 400. Okay, so likewise you have to calculate in hundreds. All right, so now let's see how many more triangles to make 300. So how many more triangles to make 300? So here how many triangles we got? We got 250 triangles. So how many more triangles needed to make 300? So we need 50 more triangles because 250 plus 50 makes 300, right? So we need 50 more triangles because 250 plus 50 makes 300 triangles. Okay, so how many bangles less than 300? So how many bangles less than 300? So how many bangles we got? We already got 280 bangles. So here we have 300. So 300 minus 280. So how much? 300 minus 280, which is 20. Okay, subtraction and addition you have to practice, children. Okay, for all these sums you need subtraction and addition. Okay, when you get free time you practice subtraction and addition, multiplication. Okay, which is very very important for mathematics. All right, okay, let's see the next one. I hope so far everything is clear, right? I hope there is no doubt because I explained everything very very slowly so that you can able to understand. All right, okay, so let's see the next one. Jojo is jumping on a tiled path inside the mela. Fill the empty tiles with the number. So he is jumping. So we need to fill the numbers over here. This is going to be very easy. So 211, 212. So after that we have 213. Let's do with a different color so that it will be more brighter. Take black. Okay. So now here it's 213, 214, 215. The next one is 216, 217, 218, 219 and 200. Okay. Alright, next. Fill in the blanks with the correct number. So we have to fill in the blanks with the correct number. See, we have few numbers in the beginning itself we are missing out, right? So we have to count backwards. So this is 295, 294. So this one is 293, 290, 292. This one is 291. So afterwards it's going to be easy. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Next one is 296, 297, 298, 299, 300. Okay, so next one is 301. So 302 is already there. So 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309 and 310. Okay, so easy, right? So next follows the same. So you have to first count the reverse one. So we have 272 here. So before that we will have 276, So 270, I'm sorry, 226. Next is 225. So 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234. Okay. So next, this is the different numbers. So what is the previous number before? 382. It's 381. So 381, 382, 383, 384, 385, 386. So 387 is already written over there. So 389, I'm sorry, 388, 389, and the final number is 390. Easy one. Okay. So next, ants have found food on the ground. Guess how many hands are there? Count and check. So now what the thing we are going to do? We are going to count the number of hands. Okay, because you know always the ant will follow in a line, right? If they found any food, they will scent and they will follow the food. Okay, now let's zoom this out and start counting the number of ants over there. Okay. Okay, let's start from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So this one is the 50th hand. So 51, 52, 53. Okay, let me count again. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So this one is the 100th ant. So after 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 15, 16, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, and 127. I think we have 127 hands. But I want all my children, all my students to cross check and find whether we found the correct answer. Okay. So we got 127. So you count and check in your book whether you are getting the same answer. Okay. Next. Teji and Jojo have learned to write numbers with the help of matchstick bundles. They can also write number sentence in more than one way. Matchsticks, numbers, number sentence. Okay. So here we have matchsticks. So this is 100 matchsticks. So here one more 100. So 100 plus 100 is 200. So this one is 100. And here we have one more 100. And here we have loose sticks. 1, 2, 3. So totally we have 3, which is 30, and here we have 5 loose sticks. So 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 30 is 230. 230 plus 5 is 235. Okay, this can be written as 235 more, which is 200 plus 35. You can also write 15 less than 250. So 250 minus 15 is 235. Okay, so I'm going to do this for you. So here we have 100. So here we have 100, and again we have, here we have 100. Okay, so totally we have 300. Okay, which is 250 and 50 more, which is 250 plus 50. Okay, 250 plus 50 is 300. You can also write 20 less than 320. Okay, which is 320 minus 20 is 200. Okay, easy one. So this one is same. So we have 200, this 100. Here we have 2 bundles, so we have 200. And how many loose sticks we have? 1. Let me zoom it over. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8. So 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 20 is 220. 220 plus 8 is 228. So 228. Okay, so I want you children to fill these boxes. Okay, this is going to be very easy, and this is your exam question also. All right, so do it very carefully, and if you need the answers, I'll be sending in the last page of the worksheet. Okay, get those answers for these questions also. Okay, and here you have to draw the bundle. See, 100, 316 more. Okay, so how we can draw? So this bundle, how many bundles we need to draw? So this type of bundles, we need to draw 3 bundles. 3 bundles and 16. 10 bundles, this type of bundle, you have to draw 1 bundle. And this type of sticks, individual sticks, you have to draw 3. So this one is 300. Here we have 10, and this one is 6. So 300 plus 10 is 310. 310 plus 16 is 316. Okay, very easy. So 100 is very easy. You're going to draw one big bundle, that is 100, and 9 loose sticks. This one is 9. So 100 plus 9 is 109. Okay, you can write 100 more, 100 and 9 more. 100 and 9 more. 100 plus 9. So 100 plus 9, which is equal to 109. Okay, you can also write 110 minus 2. I'm sorry, 110 minus 1. Let me erase this out. Which is 109. Okay, this question is important for your exam, children. So very easy. When I prepare sample paper, I will prepare questions from this also. Okay, I'll change the number. I'll try to change it and give it to you. Okay, so very easy. Counting hundreds is very easy. All right, so the next one, place the numbers given on the number line. So we need to place the numbers. Okay, here 235 is already placed. Okay, so 235 lies between 200 and 250. So here it lies between 200 and 250. So easy one. Okay, now shall we do 320? Where we can place 320? Here. So here we can place 320. Okay, how about 75? Here we can place 75. Okay, so this one is going to be very easy. So next one, look at the picture and write the corresponding number. So look at the picture and write the corresponding number. Very easy, students. This is also your exam question. Okay, so you will get these type of questions in your exam. All right. Okay, so we have bundles here. This one is 100, this one is one more 100. So this one we have one single bundle which is 10 sticks and two loose sticks we have. So 100 plus 100 is 200, 200 plus 10 is 210, 210 plus 2 is 212. Okay, so the next one, we have 200 bundles here. So 100, 100, we have 10 bundle 1, so which is 10, and 1 loose bundle. So 100 plus 100 is 200, 200 plus 10 is 210, 210 plus 1 is 211. Okay, here we have 100, 100, 100, and we do not have 10's bundle, we only have one's bundle here, so we have only one. So 100 plus 100 is 200, 200 plus 100 is 300, 300 plus 1 is 301. Okay, so next we have 100, 100, 100. So we do not have one sticks here, we only have 10 bundles, 10 bundles we have. So this is 10. So 100 plus 100 plus 100. So we have 300s, which is 300. 300 plus 10 is 310. Okay. So next we have 100, 100. Okay. So tens we have 3 tens. So this one, and this one. So 10, 10, 10. So all together is 30. So let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 loose sticks are there. So 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 30 is 230. 230 plus 7 is 237. Okay. So next we have here 100 bundle, 100, 100, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tens, which is 40. And loose sticks we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 loose sticks. So 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 40 is 240. 240 plus 5 is 245. Okay, simple and very easy, an important question also. Okay, so the next one. So this one we will see in our next video, students. Make the number slider as shown in the picture, increase or decrease the number given below. Okay, we will see this in our next video. And students, if you want to join the tuition, you WhatsApp me to the number 74186 That is the WhatsApp number. In weekend, Saturdays and Sundays, if you want to talk with me, you can send me a message, ma'am, I want to talk with you. I'll give you a time so that you can talk me also. One subject for tuition is only maths, EVS and English, but worksheets will be given for Hindi also for your exam preparation. Alright? Okay, students, take care and be safe. Always obey your parents. That is very important. Don't go anywhere alone. Okay? For additional details, you WhatsApp me to the number which I am highlighting here. Okay, the fees is rupees 400 for class 3 monthly, and for class 4 and class 5 is 600 monthly. Okay, bye bye students, take care.